let's just move on further towards the question number 3, which says that find two rational numbers between -2/5 and 1/2. So again, following the same concept, just like the question number 2, first of all, we have to make the denominator of these two rational numbers same. So let's just start with it. Let's just start the solution set of this particular question as step number 1 says make the denominator of both of them same. So step number 1 is we are making the denominator of both of them same. So first one is -2/5 and the second one is half. So let us suppose I'm taking the LCM of 5 and 2. So the LCM of 2 and 5 is obviously 10. As 2 ones are 2, 5 and 5 ones are 5. So LCM is nothing but 2 into 5, which is nothing but 10. So make the denominator of both of them as 10. So what we will multiply with 5 so that the answer is nothing but 10, and what will we multiply with 2 so that the answer is nothing but 10. So obviously this is 5 and 2 over here. So let us suppose I'm multiplying 5 over here. So 5 will get multiplied in the denominator. So it will be get multiplied in the numerator as well, because we have to balance both of the things. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So over here we have to multiply 5 with 2 and 2 in the numerator as well, because we have to balance it. So -2 and 2, it is nothing but -4/10, and this is nothing but 5/10. So our new rational numbers are nothing but -4/10 and 5/10. -4/10 and 5/10. Now we can able to find out the rational numbers in between these two rational numbers just by plotting, or either by following the last steps or the last concept which we have done in the question number 2. So let us suppose if I am finding out the rational numbers by plotting system. Let us suppose if I am finding out the rational numbers by a plotting system. So as we know that we have 5/10 over here. This is 5/10 over here, and this is nothing but -4/10. This is -4/10. So as we know that the number will get decreased whenever we'll move from this direction towards this one. So if this is 5/10, so obviously the other number which is less than this is nothing but 4/10, and in the same way over here we will get the answer as 3/10, and further we will get the answer as 1/10, or you can say 2/10. Let us suppose we are taking 2/10. The further number will be 1/10. The further number will be 0/10. Or we can say that this is nothing but -1/10, -2/10, -3/10. Let us suppose this number is nothing but -3/10, and this is nothing but -4/10. So with the help of the plotting system on the number line, we have found all these rational numbers that are lying in between the rational numbers -4/10 and 5/10. So this is nothing but my answer. So let us suppose I will find out the answer using the step system that we have done in the question number 2. So this is my desired result, but let us suppose I'm talking about the case or the concepts which we have done in the question number 2. So let us suppose we just find out the two rational numbers in between these two. So the step number 2, so the step number 2 over here will be like, let n be the number of the rational number that we just want to find out in between -2/5 and 1/2. So according to the question, we just have to find out the two rational numbers. So n will be 2. Now add 1 on both sides of it. We will get the answer as n plus 1, which is equal to 2 plus 1, which is nothing but is equal to 3. Now we have to multiply 3 on the numerator as well as on the denominator in order to find out the rational numbers. So the step number 3 will be multiply 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator, or divide by 3 in the denominator, so that you will get the desired obtained rational numbers as, let us suppose I'm talking about -4/10 multiplied with 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. This will be -12/30, and the second rational number will be nothing but 5/10 multiply 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So this will be 15/30. So in between -12/30 and 15 by 30, you can able to find out the three rational numbers. So this is minus 12 by 30 and this is nothing but 15 by 30. So you get the answer as we know 15 by 30, a number which is lesser than 15 by 30 is nothing but 14 by 30, again 13 by 30, again 12 by 30, again 11 by 30, 10 by 30, 9 by 30 and so goes on. So all these rational numbers are nothing but my answer. So you can say either these rational numbers are my answer or either these are my answer. So both of them are correct. So either by plotting or either with the help of this particular step system, you can able to find out the rational number. So let us suppose I'm talking about finding out the two rational numbers. So you can say the answer will be either the rational numbers are 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10, 1 by 10 and so goes on, or you can say the answer is nothing but 9 by 30, again 10 by 30, 11 by 30, 12 by 30 and so goes on. Both of them are correct. So you can either follow this particular step or you can follow this step. You will get the answer of finding out any rational number between the two rational number. I hope the concept is all clear to you.